on my sheet, bitch. I ride foreign whips, never do I lease shit. No motels, I'm a presidential suite, bitch. It's no weak shit, I ain't tryna be, bitch. Miami Forest eating, tryna make the Forbes list. And when I'm out the country, I don't need a tourist. Condo in LA, got fishes in the floor and shit. Don't want it on my wrist, unless it costs a grip. Gas in my whip, 93, no cheap shit. Giuseppe's on my feet, no flea shit. VVS diamonds on me, no weak shit.
Are you branching outside of entertainment?
You know what? Entertainment is my love. So I'm not branching outside of that anytime soon. I'm just trying to really, you know, like get to the big screens and the music awards and all the big stuff. So right now I'm just trying to focus on that, get that right music out here. So, you know, this is my first project. So right now I'm just going to put that out and I'm going to get the feedback and I'm going to really just take it from there. Yeah, I have businesses called Casa de Darrell's beauty bars where, you know, you come in one-stop shop, you get your nails done, get your hair done, get your eyelashes done, get your bottom lashes done, get your lips done, get your coolie done. Say no, but get your hair done, your clothes, you get everything done. I try to make it a one-stop shop because I know that I hate really traveling everywhere. I go get my nails done here, gotta get in the car, my nails wet, then I have to drive somewhere else to go get my hair done. So I just try to create that, you know, one-stop shop where you can get everything done at one time. And I have 2 of them. I'm gonna open another one in here, which is next in Atlanta, and then Miami, then LA, then we'll move them everywhere. You know, something for the ladies, luxury beauty.
What are your top 3 songs on Keisha versus Cash Doll?
You gonna do that to me? Oh man, my top.
Your top 3 songs.
That's hard. I love every song. I love every song. I have to.
Top 5.
The top 15, every song.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
Yeah. You're welcome.